Today we are testing Verdent AI, which is the sponsor of this video. It's an AI coding platform that helps you plan, build and ship real products through natural language. But for this test, I do not want to build just another landing page. I want to see if Verdent can help me to create a complete AI-powered business system for a small handmade shop. Let's go in. So first you go on verdent.ai. Here with an overview about the tool. As you can already read, build your products with plain words in minutes. On the top you also can see it now supports Claude Fable 5, currently the top code model. To get started, just hit download. After installing Verdent and signing up, so we want to build an AI-powered business system for a small handmade wooden product shop. We want a storefront, product pages, cart, customer login, admin login, product management, and everything to manage our desired system here. So not only a website, a full system. We want a premium design with dark wood tones, rounded cards. We just hit enter. So the goal is to test Verdent as more than an AI coding assistant. I want to see if it can help build the foundation of a small business operating system. So now we can follow the manager here, the agent, how he's setting up the project. He gathered our information like we want a clear design direction, warm, handcrafted. We will skip this part now. So after he gathered the basic information, he created us 4 different style directions we can choose from. Let's look at them, and they are already looking amazing. Very nice. And more minimalist, also very nice. Let's proceed with this one here. Just hit use this style. We can now see excellent choice. The build is now underway, expecting 15 to 30 minutes. The storefront with the artisan, minimal comp, woodcraft, woodmark, customer login register, an admin panel with dashboard with metrics, product management, customer records, order management, our tech stack like Next.js, TypeScript, Tailwind, Prisma, Next.auth. So now we just wait for the result. Look at this front end, it just looks amazing. Handmade products, good images here, the layout, the style, animations. We have our product here. Very nice. The structure is also very good. We have a subscription newsletter here. We have a good footer with different sides. Just click on one, like kitchen and dining. And as you can see, we have a product list with different filters. Just working great here. Let's look at the workshop. Nice font, nice design. Let's look at it in mobile view. It's also responsive. As you can see, the images, the text is fitting here. The cards, everything is just amazing. So we don't have only the front end. Let's look at the account. We are currently logged in as admin. We have a good overview here about the recent orders of our customers, like this product is shipped, this product is confirmed, and this is pending with the amount. We can go to the admin panel. Here we have a nice overview about our whole system. It's like a backend analytics and management tool here. Our total revenue, our total orders, how many customers, how many products, which products are on low stock. Here we can manage our products here. We can add products, we can edit them, delete them. Let's add one here. Test 111 short desk. It's for kitchen. It has a new arrival badge. The dimensions 21 by 21, 1 kilo. Great product. And as we can see, we have our product listed here. We can view the current orders of which customers, our customers, like the chain dough here, our whole inventory with the stock level, with the status. Our new product also is there. So the whole backend is integrated in our system here. It's working. It's functional. It's not just a plain landing page, it's a full system just working. Now we want to try the same as a customer. Click on account, our login data. As you can see, we are chain dough. We have 3 orders currently and we want to add an order. We go on the homepage, shop the edit, scroll down, the timber wall clock, add to cart. Very nice design here. We can see the total amount here. We can proceed with the checkout. Your order is confirmed. We can now continue shopping or back home. Let's look at the account, and as we see, we have 4 orders. We have the timber clock here, sign up, and in the admin panel we see chain dough just ordered a wall clock. Now we have a low stock on timber wall clocks, only 5 left. So the whole system, the backend with the frontend, is connected. It's working seamless. We have to do nothing here. A one-shot prompt to Verdent and he is doing all automatically. Great. So some designs here are green. We want a brown design system here. We go back to Verdent. We have the prompt, make the storefront feel like a premium handmade wooden product brand. Use soft beige backgrounds, dark brown text. Avoid green colors. On the bottom here we can also see the models. We can use the 4.8 Opus model here or the GPT 5.5. Also Sonnet is available. We just proceed with this and he's done, and as you can see the style is now more premium brown as we wanted it. Everywhere on each page consistent. No matter which page we are looking at, it's just premium quality, very nice, ready to use for your business. So as you can see, Verdent is not just a page builder, it creates full systems, and even more is available, like a payment. In this prompt we want to have a Stripe checkout logic for the payments. He should create a simple Notion sync structure for orders, product planning and campaign ideas. Hit send and let's see what it does. So let's try the Stripe implementation. Add a product like this one here, $89. Hit checkout. You can see redirecting to Stripe. And as we can see, we have the $98 here, our Stripe account, and the customer is ready to pay to our linked Stripe. The integration is seamless, it's working, it's just great. If you liked Verdent AI, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.